Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure the Series X has the latest system update, so backward compatibility modules are current. Once done, sign into the Microsoft account that owns the Xbox 360 content. This ensures digital licenses carry over. Insert the Xbox 360 disc into the drive or open My Games to locate your digital title. You're initiating license and compatibility checks now, so wait for the console to recognize the game and begin any required downloads or optional enhancements automatically. You'll see the Series X either download an optimized build or apply a compatibility patch. Let that process finish before launching. While it downloads, confirm you have enough storage, move large files or attach a USB 3.0 external drive to expand space. Once installed, launch the game and check controller mapping and any graphics or performance toggles the emulator exposes so gameplay feels right. Make sure Cloud Save Sync is enabled. That keeps your Xbox 360 progress available across devices and prevents lost saves. You finish by running a few levels to confirm performance, achievements, and cloud saves are intact. This verifies the migration succeeded. If you hit graphical glitches, crashes, or missing saves, first power cycle the console and clear the cache, then delete local saved games and resync from the cloud. Reinstall the compatibility patch if available. If problems persist, reach out to Xbox support after documenting error codes. Doing these steps first speeds resolution and often restores a playable experience quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.